if you're somebody who likes to take a lot of notes, or if you're somebody who likes to journal, or if you want to give away something as a gift, I think you might really like this as an option. Here is a bunch of different spiral notebooks that I actually just went and purchased from Target, ripped off the cover, and then I used 1/8" plywood to cut and to engrave a cover of my own. And I got a number of different sizes here just to test them out. And in this file, I give you all 4 of these different sizes to work with. These are really standard sizes, so they'll probably fit 80 or 90% of the ones out there. And one of the easy things you can do is, if you get this this design, you can just hit print on your printer first, not your laser, but just an inkjet printer, and print out the cover so that you can see how it fits, and then you can go and take it with you to Target and just or Walmart or wherever you go, and just line it up on top of the ones at the store and see how it fits. Now, these would not be difficult to edit if you had to, but I think these are going to be really standard for most of these spiral notebooks you find out there. So all I did was, on this particular one, this one has an elastic strap on it. I just left the back already on there, and I just tore off the front and then just opened up these combs and put in the new one, closed it back up. It just took me a couple minutes, really, really easy. Here's another little small one. In fact, on the listing, you'll see that I actually included photos of the notebooks that I got, so you'll be able to see those as well, so you can really match them up if you need to. But I left, again, the cardboard back on this one and just put a Bible verse, again, on 1/4" plywood on the front, not 1/4", sorry, 1/8" plywood. Here's yet another one, different size. And I put a different on the back just so I could see what it looked like. You can engrave, you can cut things out. That'd be really cool to cut things out here. Engrave whatever you want. Here's another one. I put this graphic on the front. The harder you work, the luckier you get. And then on the another side, I put "Have a good day." It looks like a coffee cup. So this is just all to give you ideas of what you could do. But these would be really fun to do for yourself or as a gift. And they're really, really easy to do. So I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.